Hey y'all, in today's video, we're going to do a walkthrough of the new manifestation journal that is launching. So starting off, we have our front cover, my manifestation journal. To open it, you can either swipe or you can hit the spiral. I wanted this journal to basically go with the Overcomer planner, especially like going towards the colors of it. So we stuck with that theme. So your tab colors will be 5 tab colors. Basically all these colors that you see here are the colors that you will have, except for this one. So you'll have mint, lavender, blush, vanilla, and black tabs. And then if you tap this spiral here, it takes you to your dashboard. So we'll be doing a walkthrough of the journal that I'm using right now. And this will give you an idea of how you can set your journal up. So of course, this is your dashboard. And keep in mind that these are mine here. These are mine that I set up in mine. This journal will come with 21 customizable sections. You'll also get some templates and your extra pages. We'll go through the templates a little bit later, but we'll just go with the tabs right now. But this is your dashboard. You have on your tabs, you have goals, vision board, gratitude, affirmations, manifest, and you have a journal section as well. And then you have templates down here as well. You can get to them from here, or here. And then pages, and then another linked tab for dashboard. But remember that if you use this spiral here, the spiral is linked throughout the planner to take you back to dashboard. So let's get started with looking at the tabs sections here. So we're going to first start out with goals. This is the goals page here. Here's a blank one, and you could duplicate this as many times as you want to. But basically you get 3 sections for goals, and you get some prompts to help you along the way with why is this goal important? What's your reward for achieving this goal? Here you have steps to achieve goal, and here you can track your progress with each goal. You're moving to vision board, you can just swipe, or you can hit the tab. This is the vision board. The vision board is actually a blank template with a rectangular box around. And then you have this little quote here. My vision is becoming my reality. And this is mine setup. And I'm going to just keep moving this way, like just swiping, because I've set this up to where it literally looks exactly like you see on the tabs. Okay, so I'll go over to gratitude. And this is how your gratitude section looks. You have your date here, and today I'm grateful for. And you can just do one of these a day. You can do as many as you want a day. And then it says, great things flow from a heart of gratitude. And again, you can duplicate these pages as many times as you want. Okay, I'm going to swipe over to affirmations. Here it tells you what you can do. Write down all the affirmations that resonate with you the most and read them on a daily basis. This is your manifestation template. I'm going to show you a blank one first. So I want to manifest, and then I want to feel. Your visualization, mindset is everything. What beliefs could hold you back? And then you need to reframe those beliefs into something more powerful. And then you have aligned actions you can take. And then you have this little grid section over here. You can put pictures or other quotes or whatever you want. This is one of mine filled out. I want to manifest, establish a consistent wellness routine that includes calorie deficit eating, weekly meal prepping, 40 minutes at home workouts focused on fat loss and flexibility. And then I want to feel energetic, empowered, disciplined, balanced, peaceful, motivated, radiant, and confident. And then here I am someone who shows up for myself even when it's hard. I have the discipline to eat in a healthy calorie deficit and still feel nourished. And I see myself smiling in the mirror, proud of the woman I've become. And then I put my beliefs that could hold me back. I don't have enough time to prep or work out. I always fall off after a few days or weeks. And if I miss one workout or eat off plan, I failed. And then I have my aligned actions and my reframe. And then you have your journal tab. This is basically just journaling your thoughts. Let's go over to templates. So here are the templates that we have in here. Have your question mark here that when you tap on, it takes you to a YouTube video that will explain to you how to customize your dashboard. The templates that we have, you have a daily gratitude template, you have your gratitude bank, a gratitude jar, a gratitude letter, you have gratitude prompts. This one, you can track your routines. This comes in a Monday and Sunday start. You also have like a monthly Higher Vibes habit tracker. So you have your monthly habits, your daily habits, and weekly habits. Your morning ritual, you have that separate. You have evening rituals separate. It goes a little bit more into detail of the time, duration, activity if you wanted to track that more thoroughly. You have your 369 method. So you would write down 3 morning affirmations, and during the day, you write down 6, and then at night, you write down 9. You also have 55, 5. So you basically write down your desired goal or affirmations 55 times for 5 consecutive days. You have some examples of affirmations. You have your current versus future self. You get this one in a grid form. You can get it in a lined form. You also get a dream log template. You have your future self visualization template. You have inspired actions template. You have a letter to the universe template. And you have a limiting beliefs template, a miracles log. You have a reading log, reframing obstacles. You have a self reflection template. You have a Will of Life reflection template, and yep, that's it with the templates, different templates that you get. Also get your typical note pages, your grid page, your line page, a dotted page, a wide line page, and a blank page. And these are the stickers that come with the journal. These will come in a GoodNotes file like this. It'll come as an elements file as well, like this, and individual PNGs if you're using something other than GoodNotes. And then you'll get 20 covers as well. So that is the journal. If you have any questions about the Manifested Girl journal, let me know on Etsy or the website or even in the comment section. I want to thank you guys so much for going through this walkthrough of this journal with me. And until next time, bye y'all.